In hand, SmallRig RF-05B feels more like a precision instrument than a casual accessory. The cylindrical form factor is clean and functional, with a matte finish that resists fingerprints and provides a secure grip during extended use. The OLED display is a standout feature in daily operation. It delivers clear, real-time feedback on brightness levels, color temperature, and battery status. Control is handled through a minimalist button layout that proves intuitive after only a few minutes. The interface avoids unnecessary complexity while still offering granular control over brightness and CCT. The zoom mechanism is smooth and mechanically satisfying. The RF-05B is powered by a 2,600 mAh battery that delivers up to around 125 minutes of runtime at 5 watts, making it reliable for most shooting sessions. The 8-watt boost mode adds a useful burst of brightness when needed, though naturally with shorter runtime, around 25 minutes. In practice, this balance between endurance and on-demand power makes it a flexible tool for both controlled setups and fast-paced on-location work. The SmallRig RF-05 BLED video light is a rare example of a compact device that genuinely delivers professional-grade functionality without compromise. It combines high color accuracy, a versatile zoom system, and an unusually rich accessory kit into a cohesive, portable solution. What elevates it further is its reliability in diverse conditions, thanks to solid construction and weather resistance, paired with a user experience that prioritizes clarity and control.